Kasi, try niya.
Yummy.
Yummy?
The filling is so yummy.
Do you like it? Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Kami ang Greek Filipino family na nandito sa United Kingdom. So for today's video is pupunta na naman ako doon sa aming karinderya at mamaya is lulutuan ko ng masarap na Filipino merienda ang mga anak ko. Ang ating Filipino bread na pan de coco, yung coconut bread. So, yun ang lulutuin ko sa kanila mamaya para pagdating nila galing sa eskwelahan is mayroon silang masarap na merienda. So, hope you like this video and enjoy watching! Ito na yung coconut filling na ilalagay ko mamaya sa pan de coco. So, ang nilagay ko dito is yung desiccated coconut, asukal, at saka butter. Ito na rin yung dough para sa pan de coco. Ito na yung dough na ginawa ko kanina. So, after 1 hour, so ganito na siya. So, ito yung dough na ginawa ko kanina.
Does it have cinnamon in it?
I'm gonna make a pan de coco.
Okay. Let's have a look.
Coconut bread.
Oh.
So, i-ram ko muna to yung dough. Then after, lalagyan natin ng filling, yung coconut filling.
That coconut.
Peekaboo, my mommy make a yummy dessert.
Yummy bread, Filipino bread.
This is tasty. And then actually,
A coconut bread.
a coconut bread.
Pan de coco. So, ayan, make sure na close yung ano, yung dough para pag maluto.
Hey everyone! Today this is my Bobby Bobby. This is my Bobby making some yummy bread. How good?
We can't see Mummy now. Excuse me.
Oh, hello.
Mmm.
Let's go.
So, ayan na yung pan de coco. So, bago ko ilagay sa oven, lagyan mo natin ng egg wash. So, lalagyan ko muna ito ng egg wash bago ko ilagay sa oven. Yung ano siya, yung egg yolk. Tapos, ipahid sa ibabaw ng pan de coco. So, ganyan ang pan de coco, may egg wash. At ayan, luto na ang pan de coco, ang pamerienda ng mga anak ko.
Try.
Kasi, try niya.
Yummy.
Yummy?
The filling is so yummy.
Do you like it?
And the bread is nice and soft.
Yes. So, do you like Filipino bread? Yeah. Try.
Thank you. Can I just make this? Look at that.
Yes.
Delicious.
Is it too big?
No, it's very yummy. The flavor is everything.
Yeah.
The soft texture of the bun. I like the sweet and salty.
Yeah.
Coconut is crunchy, flaky, and sweet. Tastes like syrup. I love syrup.
It's like syrup.
I want you to eat the rest after because I need to do something very quickly. Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Alright, goodbye.
Kasi yung tira na coconut filling nila, ano, lagyan ni, tawag dito. Lagyan ulit ni Cassie. She likes more filling. Totoo. Do you like the filling, Cassie? Do you like the coconut?
Perfect.
Honest. Nice? Si Pilya nag-bake ng cupcake. Ayan. Luto na. Cupcake ni Pilya. Fairy cupcake. Maraming salamat sa panonood nyo sa aming vlog. At maraming salamat din sa pag-subscribe nyo sa aming channel. At sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, please subscribe niyo ang channel namin. And please like and share our videos. So, sobrang maraming salamat talaga sa inyong lahat sa always na pag-suporta nyo sa amin. So, see you in the next vlog. See you soon. Bye!